Welcome to our DTF transfer tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to apply a transfer with a heat press step by step. First, we're going to prep the fabric by doing a quick blank press for 5 seconds. This helps wick away any moisture, ensuring the best possible adhesion. Now, let's move on to the transfer. Place your fabric on the heat press, lay your transfer flat on top of it, and cover it with protective paper. Set your press to 155 degrees Celsius and press for 10 seconds with medium to high pressure. Although this transfer can be peeled hot, we recommend a cold peel for the best results. Let the fabric and print cool completely before peeling off the protective film. While I wait for my transfer to cool, I'm going to do another press using the same settings: 155 degrees Celsius, 10 seconds, and medium to high pressure. And there you have it, a perfect transfer ready to go. If you're interested in avoiding common mistakes when ordering DTF transfers, check out the link in the description. Thank you for watching.